Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive. This is the BMW M2 that we've been working on. What we've installed is a security upgrade on this particular vehicle, which is a Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser. So what I'll do is I'll just talk you through quickly a bit of how the product works on this particular vehicle. So the product itself is an Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser, and what we have here is the factory key. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start the vehicle as we used to. So we're just going to turn the vehicle on. The vehicle on this particular vehicle does start, and when we select reverse, the vehicle dies. And we can try select drive and nothing happens. And now if I try press the button, the vehicle will not start. So what we're going to do is we're just going to recycle the ignition process. And now what we're going to do is we're going to start the vehicle slightly differently. So the way we're going to do things now is foot off the brake, just turn stage 1 of ignition on, and then on the buttons that you have, so we've got a couple of options in terms of the button sequence. You can change this between 4 and 20 buttons, and one of the things that we do at CBS Automotive is we set the button, we do a short video of the car, and then we also change the button and go through the system completely. So what I'll be doing is just showing you now. So we're just going to put in the sequence now. So this is just for demonstration purposes and will be changed after. 1, 2, 3, 4. And as we get the 2 clicks to acknowledge that we've got the right key code, I can then press the start button, enter drive, and we're good to go. So that's basically how the product works. So every time you start the vehicle, you will need to have this sort of code put in. A really effective solution for vehicles that are being stolen at the moment. So for any M2 installations, we also do some brilliant sound packages for the M2 and replace the Harman Kardon setup within it. For more details on that, please do give us a call. Contact numbers 01223 56 30 30, and this is a 2016 M2 with the Autowatch Ghost Immobiliser installed to it. A really effective solution, like we've said before, and we've got a page up on our website so you can check that out as well. I'll pop all the links below for that as well. So thank you very much for watching our short video, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.